Oh, Bobo, is this where you've been hanging out?
You look so good. You look so good.
We gotta find you a home, but for now, while you're staying at the vet, you get to come into the office with your buddy Rennie.
He deserves a home. He's
Oh,
a
you
really
need a
good boy.
home.
He's gone through a lot.
I know, Bobo.
He loves her.
I know he loves her.
You know why he loves me?
He loves belly rubs. Look at that.
I know.
Is that scary to you?
He loves me because I love him, and that's what it. I mean, that's all it took is just somebody to look
him.
past his. He was because he was so having such a hard time, and somebody to just look past it and just love him.
Oh, and he loves his belly rubs.
Yep, he does, and he was really good at the groomers.
Really? Did you do good at the groomers?
Yep. He didn't
Bobo,
try to bite.
can I have a kissy? Bobo, come here. I need a kissy from you. Come here. Can I have a kissy? I love you.
Yeah,
Bobo. Who's a good puppy, Bobo? We gotta find you a forever home, okay?
And that brown Cocker Spaniel needs a forever home because I love him too.
It's a
Taylor?
Taylor.